Hi, welcome to another Microsoft Excel tutorial with VLOOKUP. My name is Nadim. Uh, Today I will show you how to work VLOOKUP. Okay, when you have lots of data on a worksheet, you want to extract some of that data to use on another worksheet. VLOOKUP is great way to do it. VLOOKUP link two different tables, and they could be one same worksheet or more likely one different worksheet, even in different workbook, using a unique identifier. Now I will show you how to create range name in Excel. The range itself, you have a choice. You can have it include the column header, or you could have it be just the data below the column header. I am going to click over here cell A2 so that the first cell of actual data, and I want to select down and across the last cell here, so I press Ctrl Shift N, and you see that select all the way down and across the last cell. To apply the name, I click up here in the name box, not on the drop down. Not on the drop down, but on the actual box here. When you do that, you see that cell reference get highlighted. I am just going to call it source, so you could call it almost anything you want, but you cannot have space or dash in the name through, and you are limited to 33 characters. So I just call this source and press enter key. Okay, let me explain how the syntax work like any function. Okay, now I am on source data sheet. Okay, I am now on data source sheet. Okay, let's click on the cell announce sheet, same announce sheet, and you can see I just copy. Okay, you can see I just copy order ID. Just copy here and paste. Okay, and what we want to do is use the order ID to look up the revenue. Okay, so let's start entering the formula equal VLOOKUP open parenthesis then VLOOKUP value A1 comma. Now table array. Now the table array, that the table we had table array, so we don't have to go back the source data source sheet. So we already called it source. So all I have to do is type the word source. Now if you did not create the range name, you will have to go to the data source sheet and sheet the whole thing and make it an absolute reference. I will show you also a little tricks. I just press F3 key on the keyboard and get the paste name box. Just double click on it. Okay, I will type a comma, then it asks me for the column index number. It's 11, where the revenue is put in the comma, and here it's even giving us a little syntax help. Do we want true or do we want false? We want an exact match, so you could type the word false or you could double click it. Okay, it puts it in close parentheses and write enter. Okay, it's 266 is in fact, if we go back here and we can see the value, it's correct. Okay, order ID here, yes, 266. You can want to be a dollar sign, so just select all here, go to here, another way, select all here, right click on the mouse and go to format cell, to currency, just select dollar sign and it's okay. Now it's match with that. Let's we want to autofill this, so click and cross here, just click here and double click cross here. Okay, yes, it fills in all the way down, so you can scroll all the way down and you can see it's filled in all the way. Okay, if you want to match with data source, let's go and I select 1115 and the revenue is 26.42. yes, okay, revenue, yes, revenue is 278.07. Thank you for watching and bye bye.